Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna show you how I did this simple yet beautiful makeup look. This is a Nayanthara makeup look. So many of you guys requested me to do a Nayanthara makeup look, so here I am. I'm doing an Indian look after a very long time, and I'm sorry I did not upload any video last week because I was taking a break. I was working really hard and I really thought that I needed a break. This look is really natural. It's perfect as a daytime look, and if you are light on makeup, since summer's here, so we really don't want to go on, overload our face with makeup. Let's keep it natural, let's keep it simple. This hardly took any time and it turned out to be so pretty. I absolutely love this. In this video, I have used all the makeup products that I always loved using, I enjoy using. And if you are looking for products to buy, guys, watch this video. These are the products that you must buy. If you're looking for an eyeshadow palette, if you're looking for a mascara, if you're looking for a lip shade, a lipstick, I love everything I use today. Also guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. We are very close to 90k. So dazzlers, let's just make it 100k soon. I really can't wait for that. So many of you guys have told me how much you missed the celebrity makeup looks, so I promise I'll be back at that from now onwards. And yeah, now let's get started. So I just washed my face with this Dermavive Hydra Cleanser. This is for sensitive skin and I have sensitive skin and it's really good. Now I'm going to moisturize my face with this Nutriderm moisturizing lotion. This is a vitamin E moisturizing lotion and I really like using this. I've been using this for a really long time. This one is for all skin types and it doesn't dry out my skin and doesn't make my skin oily as well. There are so many moisturizing lotions in the market these days. It's very difficult to find the right one. I love this one and I have been using this since a very long time. And the earrings, I got these from Westside. Moving on to the primer, I'm going to use this NYKAA Prep Me Up Primer. Also, you guys keep asking me what color I have on my nails. Now, this one is done professionally. This is a gel polish. I don't know the shade name, but these are my natural nails. I just have the gel polish on. This one is my all-time favorite foundation. This one is the NYKAA Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. And I'm in the shade Hot Honey. I'm just going to take this much. Now this one is supposed to be a matte foundation, but yeah, deep hydration oil control action, but it gives my skin a very beautiful glow. I'm going to take my Real Technique sponge. I'm just going to apply it all over my face. I ended up listening to this song. It's called NYKAA. Such a beautiful song. I instantly fell in love with the song and I've been listening to it since then. Guys, let me know if you want me to do a cover for that song in the comment section below. Recently, I've been loving these two concealers, and especially this one I've been using constantly. This one is the LAKME Absolute MATTREAL Mousse Concealer, and this one is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear More Than Concealer. So I'm going to use the LAKME one first. The thing I love about this is it's got a powdery formula, and it's very easy to blend with your fingers. And this shade is the perfect match for me. This dries down really fast, so you just have to work on it as soon as you apply it. So if you're looking for an everyday concealer, I would suggest this one. See, it just blended so nicely. To blend this concealer, you just don't need any sponge or any brush. I just do it with my fingers and it blends beautifully. I think I need a little bit more coverage, so I'll go in with the L'Oreal one. I'll just use this much. The reason why I'm using two concealers is because the previous one, which was more, closer to my skin tone, was to just hide my dark circles, and this one is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, and this is to highlight my under eye area. You don't need to use two concealers, you can just use one depending on the coverage you want. And I'm just gonna blend it with my Real Technique sponge, and this one just instantly brightened my under eye area. I really like the coverage. Now for where is my powder? To set my under eye area, I'm going to use a compact today. This is from Sugar. This is called the Powder Play Banana Compact, and I'm just going to dab under my eyes. I just prefer using a yellow toned powder. If you want to go over your face, you can with this powder, but I don't want it today. So the base is done. Actually, I'm putting on makeup after 2 weeks and it feels good, you know, sitting in front of the camera right now and filming this video, putting on makeup, it feels good. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use what I use every single time. This one is from Sugar and this is the Arch Arrival Brow Definer. I love this one. Since the day I started using this, I haven't been using any other eyebrow product. Even when I'm not filming, I use this one. I will just fill in my brows and try and keep it really, really natural. I think that's about it for the brows. Now I'm going to move on to the bronzer. Should I go for the eyes first or the bronzer first? I think I should do the eyes first. Today I'm going to use my absolute favorite eyeshadow palette. This one is the Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 eyeshadow palette. So many of you ask me which eyeshadow palette should I use or which eyeshadow palette should I buy. Go for this one. I've been making videos just using this eyeshadow palette for almost a year. I'm going to use this brown shade on my crease area. And in the picture I cannot really properly see what she has on her eyelids, but it's kind of a mix of pink and purple. So I'm going to make use of whatever I have. This one is a beautiful brown. I think that's it for the crease area. I'm also going to use this on my lower lash line. Whichever color I'm using on my crease, I always like to use that color on my lower lash line so that, you know, it gives a complete look. This one is supposed to be a brush cleaner. I haven't used this before. This is the first time I'm going to use this and try it out. This one is the PAC Express Brush Cleaner. Today I'm just not in a mood to use different brushes. I just want to use one brush because it's a really, really simple look and I don't need a 1,000 brushes to do this look. Okay, so I'm just gonna swirl it and see if anything happens. Oh my god, it actually cleaned the brush. Huh. It doesn't smell like anything though. Nice. Wow. In case you guys are curious, this one costs 445 rupees. I'm gonna use this beautiful pink shade. Just a very light wash of the pink shade on my eyelids. I love this kind of a very natural look. I am crazy for these kinds of looks. I'm going to use the same on my lower lash line. Just a very, you know, light wash of color. Hardly touching it, but still. So I'm going to use this shade. I'm going to use this one and just apply it near the lash line. Just like that. You know what, in natural light it's not appearing that brown, it's appearing more brown on the camera. I don't know why, but I really think this is really, really close to what she has on her eyelids. For the kajal, I'm going to use this Sugar Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal in the shade Blackout. I like this kajal because it's, as the name suggests, it's an intense kohl. The color payoff is really, really good and it's very, very smooth. She's got her eyes tight lined, so I'm just going to do the same. Just going to tight line my eyes. This doesn't hurt, girls. If you haven't tried it yet, this is the easiest way to tight line your eyes. Just close your eyes and swipe your kajal through. And you just don't need to look exactly the same. Just create your own version of it. Just play with makeup. Just try to relax with it. This is your time to have fun and not stress about, you know, oh my god, what happened to the kajal? Oh my god, what happened to the lipstick? Just have fun. Everything can be fixed. Now what do? Let's smudge this. I'm going to use the same brush. So using this again. Yeah, works fine. Guys, use a different brush if you are I mean, if you don't know how to use a blending brush to smudge the kajal, but I'm okay with it. So don't just follow me. Use a brush that you're comfortable with. For the mascara, I'm going to use this Sugar LASHMOB Limitless mascara. What I love about this mascara is the wand is really full. It gives fuller looking lashes and it adds volume and length to the eyelashes. This is with the mascara and this one is without the mascara. This is with the first coat on. I just applied 2 coats of the mascara and her eyelashes look pretty natural, so I'm not going to wear any false eyelashes today. I'm going to keep it natural. For the bronzer, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. Her look is not very contoured, it's very natural. So I'm going to use this bronzer. The brush I'm using is from LAKME World. And the eyeshadow brush that I used was from Oriflame. It's the blending brush. I love the bronzer because it blends really easily and effortlessly. I love how it gives a very sun-kissed look to your face. For the blush, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution London Blush Palette. This is the Blush Goddess palette. And I'm going to use these 2 shades together. I think this looks really pretty. Now I just need to apply the highlighter. And I'm going to use the same palette, the Makeup Revolution palette. I am going to use this highlighter. I'm not going to highlight a ton, I'm just going to keep it really natural. I'm just going to apply a little bit of highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes as well, just to open the eyes a little bit. So I'm going to use the same kajal and just add like a dot on my forehead. Perfect. I'm going to list all the products in the description box below. So for my lipstick, I'm going to use this one from L'Oreal Paris in the shade 105 I Rule. And I'm just going to apply it on my lips. Oops, this is too dark for what I wanted. Nope, not working. This looks really pretty. I'm going to add this Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte. These lipsticks actually do not have any shade names, they just have shade numbers. So this one is in the shade number 9. And I'm just going to try and make it closer to her lip shade. Since both the lip shades I used are matte, I'm going to add a gloss on top of this because her lips look glossy. So I'm going to add this Sugar Time to Shine lip gloss. This is in the shade Velma Pinkley number 2. And I'm just going to add it right in the middle of my lips. Yeah, that's it. I love matte lips on me. I personally don't like glossy lips, but if she's doing glossy, we're doing glossy too. Okay, so this look was very simple and I absolutely love it. I love how it turned out. Guys, one more thing. So many of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. Guys, please subscribe to my channel if you really like watching my videos. About 86% of you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel. Guys, we are very close to 90k. Let's grow our family. Let's grow Dazzlers. 100k is not that far. Guys, the bell icon is very important when you subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon. So subscribe and the bell icon and comment down below and like, share, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.